Creatively. No, it's not old. It's 1994, I think. It's one of those garden follies. Now, unfortunately, given the low cloud and the rain and things, I can't point out to you the hill where that stone came from, but just in that direction is the quarry that the family owns. You'll have to see the tree forms, and on the right, I'll show you a nice big bed of very softly fantastic.
Are the ducks, are they still here? The ducks? Yes. Oh,
I love it up here. This was dry for a while when they were repairing it, and it's just so lovely to see it back in action.
With the cascade behind it.
Yeah, yeah.
At the very end of the season, they'll start flowering for us in a similar way to a lot of the winter family, like little spires.
So I got through about 4 years ago. It's probably just about that height, and I've done nothing to it. Yes. No, the very well. It's the shades of here and the ferrets okay. And they're often, but I would like to see them. And it's really quite long. When am I going and you know, yeah. When am I going to do my work? You're going to pay for it. I get one. I'll do it.
So the flowers in the urns.
Yes.
Do you get enough rain that you don't have to hand water those?
There are flowers. They're the most beautiful colors.
So this replaced the garden that's been going near Yorkshire, and this was designed and laid out by Lady Cumbria. She tried to take this area and simplify it. It shows this ellipse shape of a path going around the centre and the formal topiary, just to give a really balanced left from taking the vista that goes through the park. We planted this recently over the last 4 years or so, going for a really relaxed loosely conditioned His favourite is fine. No, it's fine. It will come to you. Begin with A.
Begins with A.
My class they begin today. I
That's how I read my birthday.
They needed a lot of water.
Oh, they get that. They get one.
You're trying to pull up the name too.
Thought they were Eliagnus and grew them. That's not quite right. Anyway, he grew them, planted them. They've become these lovely, soft, almost Mediterranean-looking trees, and they've become a real feature of this garden. One of them is Cumbria champion, the largest in the county. Now let's walk down. Oh, Hypomeus speciosum, is it? It's Chilean flame flower. So yes, as I mentioned earlier, there's a lot of wind that sweeps across this garden, and over the years, the family have, well, over the centuries, have planted many, many evergreen oaks. Yeah, his favourite is fine. Yeah, his favourite is fine. No, it's fine. It will come to you. Begin with A.
My class they begin today. I know.